So this is Unit 1, Lesson 3. We are going to be constructing perpendicular lines. The skills you will learn in this lesson are to construct a perpendicular line through a point on the line and a perpendicular line through a point not on the line. In order to be successful with this lesson, you need to know the definition of perpendicular lines, so I recommend you take this vocabulary card out. And you also need to know how to construct the perpendicular bisector. Before going on, if you don't remember either of these two things, please go to Schoology and review Lesson 2. So, at what angle measure do perpendicular lines intersect? That is going to be 90 degrees. What do we call a 90-degree angle? A right angle. And what construction do we already know to create a perpendicular angle, and that would be the perpendicular bisector. As I said before, that construction is used over and over again in other constructions. So our first thing that we're going to do is we're going to construct a perpendicular line through a point on the line. In this example, we will construct a perpendicular line G to line P through point H. I've listed the steps on the left-hand side for you, so if you want to reference those, you can. So first thing that's recommended is that you extend the line if necessary. Now I'm going to extend the line. You should use your ruler to extend your line. Next, we're going to make two arcs, so you're going to need your compass. We're going to take that compass and we're going to put the compass point on the line that we want the perpendicular line to go through. So in this example, that would be point H. You can either make two arcs or you can make a circle, whatever you find easier. I'll make a circle. And so now what we've created is we've created a diameter, or in this case, a segment. So here's one endpoint of the segment, here's the other endpoint of the segment. Well, we have a segment, and H is technically the midpoint, or the center of that segment, since it is a diameter, and we can do a perpendicular bisector through that point. And we know how to do that. So we'll put our compass point on one endpoint of the segment, open our compass more than halfway, and make an arc. We will transfer it to the other endpoint, and repeat the same steps. Where the arcs intersect, we can put 2 points. And we know that through any 2 points, we can draw a line. And there's our perpendicular line through a point on the line. So these are our right angles, here and here.